Hey, Jake, can we get a reenactment?
Fuck no.
How many did you throw in there? How many did you throw in there?
Tell me about it.
Way to go!
Oh yeah.
Time to ollie go inside, fucking go run up there and flip it over.
What the fuck? It was straight over there.
No, it's like for me. Shut up, man.
The rest of them, that's what I'm saying.
You got your two, buddy? You want to go
Hey,
for
we
the
got
bird?
30
You wanna go
minutes.
for the bird? Yeah, you want to go for the bird.
30 minutes.
Well, you have no more fireworks to shoot off.
Do you have any champagne to drink?
I'm with that.
Where I go, I just don't know. I got to take it slow. When I find my peace of mind,
I'm singing dancing around. I look over and you're just.
it took away my pain.
That was next thing on
All that you're riding free.
Hey, when are we gonna send this to Leica?
You gotta let
Tonight.
it be your year. Where I go,
Oh shit.
I just
He's
don't
gonna have time to watch it.
I got to, gotta
It's not 12 for him yet. It's not going to be 12 for him.
Oh yeah, that's right. He's like 7 hours back. 3? You're in California. You know how many 2? You're talking about Hawaii's 3? Hawaii's a little farther out than California.
7 hours, right?
It's almost Australia. Halfway. American Samoa is almost.
It's almost to Japan.
How is it?
Japan.
Almost to Australia.
Japan.
Halfway.
Japan.
Hawaii is halfway. American Samoa is about 3/4. Dude, man, you gotta just mellow out. Rock. Back and forth. Hit me. Come here. Come here. Go.
and take away my Take me to the river, let me on your show. Well, I'll be coming back, baby, I'll be coming back for more.
I'm serious. Knock it off.
She was aiming.